Today, one big story is about to end. The Beast, 100,000 kilometers almost, been with me since 2015. This is a shocking info. Come with me, and yeah, just come with me. What's gonna happen? Most probably you know, and yeah, that's the new bike. You know what? Wait for part 2.